In this video, I'm going to review trader Larry Benedict's brand new special report, Crypto Hype Spikes, how to trade the hottest market outside of AI, which is crypto. The big idea of this is that it's now possible to trade cryptos using specialized ETF funds without ever having to take the risk of actually holding or buying and selling cryptos. Because I know a lot of it, whilst crypto is becoming a lot more popular, a lot of people are still wary because, crypto markets are highly volatile. And with a lot of the cryptos, you can lose your money pretty much overnight if the market goes against you. So this is pretty much, it's not risk-free, but it's a very sort of less risky way to trade crypto, but make short-term profits on crypto's wild sort of price moves. So I'm going to explain everything you need to know about this report. Then I'm going to walk you through Larry Benedict's one ticker trader, show you around, show you what you get, explain my experience of the service, how it's doing. So if you're excited to learn more about, obviously, the Crypto Hype Spike reports, hit the like button, why not subscribe, and why not post a comment below. Also, if you want to join Larry Benedict's one ticker trader service at any time, so you can start running Larry Benedict's AI or Crypto Hype Spike trades, there's going to be a link in the comment description below, so click that. You'll go to the official website, which is a cart page where you can make your payment and join, and you get all of the special reports completely free. Anyway, let's get on with the video. So how do you trade cryptos without ever buying and selling cryptos themselves? Well, basically you trade specialized funds which are becoming really popular called ETF funds. Basically what these ETF funds do is they sort of get exposure to certain crypto coins, which allows investors to buy shares in that ETF fund. So basically these investors can get exposure to these cryptos without ever having to buy the crypto coins themselves, which is a much risky or less risky way to still get exposure to crypto without the huge risk that's involved, but obviously a lot of upside as well. But you are not going to just be buying and selling shares in ETFs. What you're going to do is Larry's going to show you how to use options contracts to buy shares in these ETF funds. So basically you can make short-term profits up to 300% or more in only either a couple of days or up to 2 weeks. So you can make consistent short-term profits trading these ETFs and the crypto market with a lot less risk than buying the cryptos themselves. So the crypto coin Larry really enjoys trading is Bitcoin, and there's a particular Bitcoin fund that Larry uses to basically use options to trade Bitcoin. So that is really the big idea, using options contracts. Options contract basically controls 100 shares in a company, and basically you hold that options contract for a set period of time until you're in the money, then you sell it for a profit, and that can happen within a couple of hours, couple of days to maybe a couple of weeks or more. And Larry is all about making consistent short-term profits. Usually it's double digits, but it can be treble digits if you get an absolute doozy. So how does Larry spot these incredible trades? Well, like I say, you're going to be using ETF funds to run this strategy in options, either buying a call if the ETF fund is going up, or if you think the price is going down, you'll be buying a put option. Don't worry, Larry will show you, if you join One Ticker Trader, how this works better than I can explain it. But basically you need to spot the trades, and Larry shows you how to spot the trades in this. And you basically, there's three sort of strategies you use. Basically, once the top rated US stock funds, S&P and NASDAQ, if they're hitting all-time highs but Bitcoin isn't, that is a sign of Bitcoin reversing. And basically, very quickly, Larry uses a strategy called mean reversion. So basically, all that means is, for example, if you're trading a Bitcoin ETF trust to use options to trade Bitcoin, if that fund is overextended above the moving average share price, then a reversal in price is coming, whether the stock is going up or going down. And that is how Larry trades. But you can spot these reversals either by, if the US stock funds are at all-time high, but Bitcoin isn't showing an all-time high. Relative strength index, if there's strong momentum either up or down in an ETF, that can signal a reversal, but also trading volume as well. If loads of people are sort of buying shares and options contracts in an ETF, that can signal a reversal as well. So that is really the big idea of how this works. Larry's going to give you one ETF Bitcoin fund to trade. He's going to show you how, and then basically when the conditions are right, Larry will give you a particular trade so you can buy an options contract in the stock of this ETF. Don't worry, he'll give you all of it. He'll give you the strike price, which is the price you think the ETF fund is going to either exceed, either up or down, length of the options contract, and the buy-in price, which is the premium. So Larry will tell you when to buy and when to sell so you can make profit. This is a killer strategy because options contracts are great for trading volatile markets, and crypto markets are about the most volatile market you can enter out there, along with AI at the moment. So it's a beautiful strategy. So if you really want to get exposure to the crypto market, but you don't want to buy and hold crypto, the crypto hide spike trading strategy using options is well worth giving a try to see how you find it. So let me just show you everything you get with one ticker trader. The first thing you get is the issues and updates. So this is the monthly newsletter or Ask Larry Anything, where Larry he answers member questions and also gives an update on the market conditions, which is key for running his options strategy. And also key, absolutely fundamentally, you get all of the buy and sell alerts. Here's a sell alert for one of the options trades, which is for Tesla, and this was a call option. So whenever you want to keep paying close attention to this section, because this is where Larry will basically show you how to trade. In fact, let me show you. So this is a sell alert. This is basically how it kind of works. So basically, it's going to sell to close out the Tesla November 29, 505 calls. This is basically the strike price that the option was open for. It obviously, exceeded that. And, this particular trade got a nice 37% gain. So you'll get all of the details of, everything you need to know about when to buy and when to basically sell. So don't worry about that. These are all the special reports. Now, Larry has just released the AI hype spike series. So this is similar to the crypto hype spikes, but for AI stocks. There's one particular stock Larry loves to trade, so you can get complete exposure to the volatility in the AI market without actually buying and selling AI shares. By all means, you can buy AI stocks, but this strategy, which is very similar to the crypto strategies, using specialized ETF to trade, which has got 50% exposure to the hottest AI stocks, but you can use time and time again to make consistent profits out of the AI stock market. You've obviously got the AI hype spike calendar, when all of the specialized events could happen that could obviously cause volatility in the the AI space. So AI stocks could go bonkers at any point around this calendar. I've walked you through that crypto hype spikes. This is the Tesla glitch blueprint, how to make basically consistent monthly profits, trading Tesla using options, Trump's trigger trades, free stocks to watch for outside gains, how to leverage your wealth in the US energy market, and many, many more. And also how to boost your profits with leveraged ETFs, which is slightly different from options, but very, very powerful. So you get all of these special reports. You got the videos which show you how to basically place the trades on the recommended trading app, which is Think or Swim. Walks you through how to do that. And the last one is a very quick base course of actually how to trade options. Obviously, if a browser opens, so here we go. So basically, you can go through this in 10 minutes. It's not exhaustive. What is an option? Risk management, key indicator, conclusion. So basically, this shows you how to trade options in less than 10 minutes. So yeah, that is everything you get with One Ticker Trader. I've been a member since 2021. I love the service. I place Larry's trades regularly, and it has really helped me out, boost my income and my retirement account. So I'll give this service a 5 out of 5. I love it. There's nothing like it out there. It's one of the best options trading services out there, and Larry is one of the best options traders and traders out there with over 40 years experience. So you're in safe hands. So if you want to join One Ticker Trader, you can get all of his special reports completely free just for trying out his One Ticker Trader service, getting the monthly newsletter, and trying out all of his trade alerts. So if you want to join, link in the comment description below, and you can join risk-free for 60 days. That is what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful, informative, and I'll speak to you soon.